Good morning, everybody. It is 2:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, April 16th, 2026. So we're going to go over the fives for today real quick and yesterday. Victory Volcano. Put that on alert in 2021. Hydrographers Range. As you can see, that was on alert 2021. Good enough. Was on alert. Buru is on alert. Wallow. Kavari is also on alert. Karanga. Lamington. Trafalgar. That was on alert in 2021. We put that on alert live in 2021. Costa Rica got the 5-7 just 12 hours ago. Haven't got to do the volcanoes for that. Mirror Valles is on alert. Tenorio, the neighboring volcano, is on alert. Santa Cruz, Cerro Chapo on alert. Cerro Tilaran is on alert. Planetar is on alert. We put that on alert in 2021. Poas as well. We got an alert of ash emission March 13th. Friday at 6:15. We got that correct. Barva is on alert. Razu is on alert. Activity update, January 23rd. Let's go check Planetar or that other one here. The alert report. That's alright, it doesn't matter. There's so many of them. Alright, moving on. 5. Volcano W. Brothers is on alert. Matthew Island. Eastern Gemini Seamount is on alert. Mount Bernie is on alert. Reckless is on alert. Buldir is on alert. South Africa, we got the 5-7 for Africa. Right towards, so Mariana Island is on alert due to the trajectory path of some of the asteroids I am studying. 4, yep. The Gawisi Hills is on alert. Tishabinda is on alert. Tishabinda has been on alert. Homa Mountain is on alert. Aragon is on alert. Now there's still some unnamed volcanoes in Nevada, so I'd be careful over there. Malu Malu is on alert. Ooh. Tafai might have erupted. Nobody knows. Find out at some point in time. These people. At this point, I don't even know if coronavirus wiped out the whole USGS team. Gilio. When I get question marks next to the data, it's probably because people got fired, died, coronavirus got to them. Who knows? I don't hear back from these people at all in the comments, and I'm an extreme expert with seismology now. Don't hear back from them in the comment section. Down top. Yeah, Shish Sheldon. Got a activity report, March 26th. We put this on alert in 2021. Yeah, see it at the top. 2020, 2023. Karpinski is on alert. And its neighbor, Shirinki. Lomonosov is on alert. Fuss Peak is on alert. Kembar is on alert. Mashu is on alert. Harbor Seamount is on alert. Volcano W is on alert. Kaba is on alert. Bukit Tiga is on alert. In Indonesia. Subali is on alert. Buali is on alert. Kembar is on alert. Namasala is on alert. Tonga. Yep, see this? Tafai is most definitely on alert. Sumishua? I'm sorry, I apologize. Sum Isujima is on alert. Rushing myself. Torishima. Myeongnol is on alert. Do all of the fives. Penguin Island is on alert. Just like we put on alert in 2021 live on my old channel. Toroshima on alert. Yep. Alright. Alright. Now today is definitely a high magnitude earthquake warning day. And let me just check the my description I've been writing. Since 2021. Alright, so the next target is going to be May's target. We're going to do, yep, 516. I need your help with donations, you guys, because I have to get to the phone store to make a repair, and people keep sabotaging me as a YouTuber everywhere I go for this information and the amount of money I can make off of it with YouTube AdSense. So this is 1999 A018 and Asteroid 2023 VR5. That goes in there. So basically, from the 14th, so 6 days, there's a gap. Then there's a gap again, and that's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 gap. Then we have July 2019 VE3 for the Northern Hemisphere. So 2023 VR5 will be affecting the Northern Hemisphere countries on May 16th, 2026. We also have 2019 VE3 that will be affecting the Northern Hemisphere countries on July 7th, 2026. That's the 16th. You have to get the power button repaired. Someone actually stole my charging blocks in my sleep as a homeless person. Been homeless on and off since 2011. People went through my pocket and stole my fast charging block. Pathetic. In Illinois too. These people are pathetic. Trying to strategically, psychologically dismantle me and financially dismantle me. Absolutely pathetic. Anyway, make sure this description is definitely worth your time going through. So 421. Yeah, we'll keep this part up till 421. December, April, we'll keep that up too. Yeah, I went for the October 10/28, 2026 because of Asteroid. Yes, we have an unnamed coming through on the Asteroid Alert app. All right, let's go do the low magnitudes. These are all 2.5 can cause a volcanic eruption. 2.2, a 3.0. Well, half magnitude can actually cause a volcanic eruption. In theory, half a full mag, 0.5, can cause a volcanic eruption depending on the depth, the location, type of volcano, what's around the plume and chamber. Rico, a car. Oklahoma got the 2.6. What I've been doing recently for Oklahoma is going right over to Valles Caldera and New Mexico and Dotesero, Yellowstone, of course. Yeah, I was calculating geyser eruptions there, but I knew the volcanic eruptions would save more human life and life. I was on alert. I'll try to keep this video under 20 minutes. We'll just do a couple. Minutes. Try to keep it. There's the White City, Mexico. 3.6. Carrizo. Durango. And of course, San Borja. Borja. Ooh, Ralph, we got a update. Activity update. February 26th. The unrest continued. GeoNet reported that unrest continued at Rofu between December 17th, 2025 and February 25th, 2026. Yeah, that was leaking, degassing. Solomon Islands 4.9. Yeah, that's the type of stuff you gotta look for too. The 4.9s. Ooh, what a suspicious earthquake that is. This 3-8 2 hours ago. Ergang. Kidabud. Kidabud. San Pedro is on alert. Well, France is really starting to move. Than it did when we started 2021. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get this video posted. Let's check the activity report for the day. Alright, so we have 4 5s, 34 4s, 174 3s, and 347 2s. Total of 559 earthquakes. Smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment box section if you have any questions. We still have that concerning pattern in Mexico. Ah, here it is. Yeah, right here, the concerning pattern that nobody's talking about. El Chichon. Last eruption was 1982. This volcano is completely on alert right now for me. Oh, did this one go too? Because I found a whole bunch of volcanoes in Iran that exploded. Go check that out right now real quick. Right here. Whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of unnamed. Pretty sure. Yeah. Maca's on alert, way down there in Chile. Ooh, we finally got that 5 down here in Puerto Natales. 2021, we put Monte Bernie on alert due to offshore 5s. That's still offshore, close enough. We're very far ahead over time here. Banua Woohoo is on alert. Awu is on alert. We got an activity update on Awu. March 13th. We did. Alright, you guys. Almost time for coffee. Almost coffee time here. Miss you guys completely in the live chat. It's awesome starting my day with you guys every day. Really miss the chats more than anything. More than the donations, I will admit. I miss the live chat more than the donations. But I always knew that the chat was worth more than the donations. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna get this posted. Her car is on alert. Her car and Periso. Alright, you guys. So it's 5 years in a row. Non-stop. I've been working every day. For just about nothing. YouTube hasn't paid me since 2022. I'm signing off. See you guys.